Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. In case you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you see how I grow orchids in Jamaica. Today, I will be doing an orchid care collaboration with 3 other YouTubers and orchid growers from across the world. If you want to see who I'm collaborating with and the orchid that will be highlighting, just stay tuned right after this intro. Today, I will be doing this CareCollab where we will be focusing on the Myrmecatavola or the Rechara Francis Fox orchid. Let me tell you a little bit, guys, about this CareCollab. Now, 4 of us will be sharing with you how we grow and care for our Myrmecatavola Francis Fox from 4 corners of the world. Participating in this CareCollab are YouTubers Karins Orchids, all the way from Sweden, Orchids and Fynbos, all the way from South Africa, and the Conceptualizer Ninja Orchids, all the way from Spain. And of course, myself, the Orchid Doc, who is actually growing orchids in Jamaica. We all will be posting our CareCollab video today. So stay tuned and look out for them. And don't forget, guys, to check them out. Their information on their YouTube channel will be posted in the description box below. The Myrmecatavola Francis Fox is also known as Rechara Francis Fox, and it is registered in 1985. It is actually a cross between the Brassicatellia polka dot and the Myrmecophilia tibicinis. I bought this plant just about 5 to 6 months ago as a blooming size bare root plant, and so I am growing it for the first time. It was actually a very healthy specimen when I got it. Now I potted it in a special orchid mix, which is formulated to grow a variety of orchids, including Cattleya orchids, of course. This mix includes fern bark, charcoal, and perlite. For sure, I can tell you that my Myrmecatavola Francis Fox certainly enjoys this medium because within a month of planting, it actually started growing new roots. It is actually a warm, loving orchid. However, we can adjust the environment accordingly. So depending on where you are in the world, of course, you can adjust because some persons will grow indoor while others will grow outdoor. For me, I grow mine outdoor, and it really appreciates bright light and also can manage the direct sunlight. So where I have mine, I actually keep it semi-shaded under 50% mesh. However, it gets the direct morning sun and it really enjoys this condition. I fertilize it with a high phosphorus fertilizer, as this, especially when you just plant an orchid that was bare root, it actually helps to promote the growth of new roots. It actually likes my growing condition because it rewards me with some beautiful blooms, as you can see here. And all this took place within 6 months of purchasing and potting. It has been blooming now for more than a month, and actually the blooms actually fades gradually individually because they all did not come out at the same time. And guys, the blooms are so beautiful. Now the blooms have this nice rustic orangey color, and in the center of it, the lip is actually polka dot, which I'm sure it got this from one of its parent plant. Now this is a plant that every orchid grower would like to have as part of their collection, because it is just such a stunning plant and it is very easy to grow. It actually grows from long pseudobulbs, and then it sends out its spike in the center of the two leaves, which is at the end of the pseudobulb. Then it sends out an inflorescence, which is about 2 feet long, and from there, the end of this inflorescence, it sends out the buds. I'm sure you would agree with me, guys, that this is actually a stunning plant, and I really enjoy having this plant as part of my collection. Now, I hope you would have learned something from this collaboration today and just understand how this plant will respond to your own environment. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back at me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica.